The practice of the way they're doing it is what's new, and it feels a little bit creepy. I get it.
New tonight, home insurance companies are taking inspections to new heights in determining whether to drop your coverage or not. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee. Tonight, CBS 8 Shannon Handy is working for you to find out the technology more companies are now using to determine if you're in or out.
In the past, companies would send inspectors to your home, but we've learned here in San Diego they're now using drones and other technology to survey your property before deciding whether to insure it or not.
This is nothing new as far as looking at homes and looking at properties at renewal.
Insurance expert Karl Susman says while taking pictures of a home before renewing a policy is normal, he acknowledges the strategy more companies are now using to do it can feel a bit invasive.
It's just the idea feels a little bit awkward and a little weird and a little strange to have, not know when it's happening.
Recently, a CBS 8 colleague of mine received a notice letting them know satellite imagery showed moss on their roof, which could result in a canceled policy if it wasn't taken care of. A spokesperson with nonprofit consumer advocacy organization United Policyholders told me there's been a dramatic increase in reports from customers with similar stories. Homeowners claim drones and other devices captured things like debris and in one case a drained pool, all of which led to their policies getting dropped.
What we're seeing is companies that are at renewal going and looking at the risks that they have to determine if there's what's called deferred maintenance, for example.
I asked Sussman if we're seeing this happen more now because companies are looking for reasons to drop customers. He says, while that's possible, more than anything, they're gearing up for home insurance regulations to change by the end of the year, which will allow them to offer underwriting discounts.
The only difference is right now, it's an all or nothing, right? It's either you must have it fixed or you can't have the policy, whereas with the new regulations, you'll have the option. Do you want to pay more by not fixing your roof, or do you want to get a discount for having a new roof?
Sussman says the overall goal of this practice is to not have a claim, but given the fact insurance companies in California are letting go of more and more customers, he advises if your insurance company points out something, don't hesitate to get it fixed.
It's your best bet to just get it fixed right away.
Absolutely, right. Because again, the carrier doesn't have the option to underwrite based on it. It's all or nothing until these new regulations come out.
Working for you, I'm Shannon Handy for CBS 8.
Shannon, thanks. And we're working for you tonight and have learned the insurance company Allstate could start offering new home insurance policies here in California once again. In a statement, Allstate says, once home insurance rates fully reflect the cost of providing protection to consumers, we will be able to offer home insurance policies to more Californians. It is not clear when those new policies would be available or how much they will cost. Here at CBS 8, we want to help solve problems that affect you and your community. If there's something you'd like us to look into, shoot us an email. That address on your screen, working for you at cbs8.com.